Hi, in this video, let me take the time and show you how to insert the paper inside of your Canon printer, that is the imageCLASS MF275dw. So the step number one is to open the front panel. Stick your finger on the corner and bring it down. You're gonna notice there is a tab over here that you can slide, and there is also another one here with this blue guide. Okay, you can push it left and right. If you're gonna input US letter size or A4 size paper like I will do, you need to push these to the extremity. So I pushed it all the way towards the right, and this one I can even extend it slightly this way. Align your paper you want to input, and you're gonna glide it until it touches the end. Then you can bring back this guide so that, here you go, right over here, doesn't have to touch the paper, just needs to stay there so the paper doesn't slide out and enters correctly the printer. If in the future you're going to print on smaller paper, let's say an envelope, in that case, you can bring these together and slide the envelope in between these two guides. But overall, this is how you input paper. Now, we are not done yet. Once you have put the paper in place, you're gonna put your fingers over here and you're gonna simply bring this towards you, and you're gonna notice it's a cover that will cover the paper so it looks prettier. If you don't want it, you can also just leave it in the upwards position. It doesn't matter. It's just aesthetical, nothing more. Thanks for watching. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to get compatible paper for this Canon model. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.